So welcome to this tutorial series where we're going to learn how to make a 3D Tetris game in Unreal Engine 5, specifically version 5.6. This tutorial series is geared towards beginners, so if you have already poked around in the engine and want to actually build something, then this series is a good fit for you. So to give a quick overview on the project, we are starting with this thing over here, which is our playfield, which is the area where we can move our pieces around and play our game. Unlike traditional Tetris, this is a fully 3D Tetris game. You can move and rotate your pieces along the X, Y and Z axis. We have all the usual features you would expect, except for this camera movement. I added this to better highlight the 3D feel you get from this game. But this created an issue. Rotating the camera became very disorienting, and with the way we move our pieces around, it can be very difficult to understand where is left or right. To fix this, the camera rotates only when you hold the right mouse button. The moment you let go, it smoothly snaps back to the default position. This gives you a consistent point of reference, so you'll feel less disorienting when playing this game. You'll also notice there is no UI, scoring or buttons anywhere in our level. I intentionally chose to avoid it to keep the series as compact as possible. These aren't difficult to implement, so you could try adding them yourself as a challenge. Also, if you're not a fan of complex math, then you might like the series. Unlike my previous Tetris tutorials, you can check them out here, this series doesn't rely on any multi-dimensional arrays or heavy math. It's a lot more visual and logic based. So yeah, starting the next video, we're going to be making this playfield. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.